Welcome back to Wind Down Wednesday. You're probably wondering why we're missing my brother David. He's been replaced by a laptop. Well, he's overseas doing some reconnaissance for more great red wines for Wind Down Wednesday. Until he returns, we're going to welcome our guest bartender, DJ Smooth, to teach us how to make a fantastic sangria. Take it away.
How are we doing, people? This is DJ Smooth, and this is DJ's Danktails, where we learn how to make the dankest cocktails in town. Presented by Bob Hook Chevrolet and Wind Down Wednesday. Today's drink is a sangria. Really, there are 6 important things that need to be in place to be considered sangria. Number 1, it's gotta be obtained from wine. Number 2, you gotta have aromatized citrus fruit, juices, extracts, or essences. Number 3, sweetener. Number 4, there has to be some form of CO2 added. Number 5, no more than 12% alcohol content. And number 6, it has to be made in Spain or Portugal. If the sangria is made in Europe, anywhere besides Spain or Portugal, it's gonna be called an aromatized wine-based drink. We're gonna have 2 limes, 2 peaches, 3 lemons, 3 blood oranges, a quart of strawberries, pineapple juice, Grand Marnier orange liqueur, blood orange liqueur, a Spanish red, dry red, simple syrup for the sweetener, Spanish rosé for the CO2. Okay, now we're gonna cut our oranges, and we're gonna cut them 2 separate ways. I'm gonna cut little crosses in there. So when we juice it into the actual container, you're gonna get that juice out a lot easier. Now, we wanna cut the thin slices, remember? Very thin. And this is what I'm doing right here. We're gonna make our slices again. Okay, so again, thin slices. For the peaches. First things first, start dumping everything in. And the order of the dumpage does not matter. This is a dry Spanish wine. Doesn't really cost a whole lot. I think it was like $7 or $8. Okay, so the pineapple juice, we're gonna go ahead and put 3/4 of a cup. I really like pineapple, so I'm gonna put another ½ cup in there. 4 shots of simple syrup in there. Okay, so this is Grand Marnier. We're gonna put in a full cup. Okay, so I squeezed all of the juices in there. Let's go ahead and stir it up. Now I'm just gonna let it sit and I'm not gonna touch it. There you have it, sangria, almost.